Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To remove the first and last characters of a string in Python, you can use string slicing. Here's a step-by-step tutorial along with a code example. 1. Define the string *. Start by defining the string from which you want to remove the first and last characters. 2. Use string slicing *. Python allows you to extract a portion of a string using slicing. To remove the first and last characters, you can slice the string starting from the index 1, to skip the first character, and ending at the second to last index. 3. Print the modified string *. Finally, print the modified string without the first and last characters. Here's a Python code example that demonstrates how to remove the first and last characters of a string. When you run this code, it will output. In this example, the original string rgur had its first and last characters removed using string slicing, resulting in the modified string rgur.